So what I'm going to do is just warm up these olives. I want them to be slightly warm when they're served. And so I can just prepare them in the pan. Sometimes I just put in a couple of bay leaves and lemon rind. Easier this way to peel it towards me because you get a much more beautiful slice. Maybe one more or two. And I have a little fennel seed here. I love fennel. And I'll put that in too. Of course, a little olive oil as well. I'm just going to warm up the olives. They're going to have a little bit of water in there too. You know, the flavors get infused and it kind of softens the olive. And I think I'm just going to leave it here on the simmer for a little bit. Most of the time, olives come in a brine. And what we do is pour off the brine and then dress the olives in this way, sort of. The brine very often is watery and salty, and we just give them kind of a new life. Wake them up, wake them up.